Hi, I'm Pranita and I'm from Movie Interiors. Here I am at Satpa Mistake Jam, Tea Time. So I'm going to show you the house we made. Chalo. So this site was for soft handover, what we have created. So let me show you the puja in it, what we have created over here. Here, instead of using CNC and all those things, we have used digital print and with light from behind. Because our customer specifically told he has very less movies and all those things and he wants something not common in everybody's house but also it should feel like a temple. So this is what we have created to him. So here we are, the TV unit example. We do any kinds of carvings. You ask inwards or outwards carvings. Yes, here we are doing that. And then talking about the toilet, we have pressed this in the ceiling, back panel with laminate, marble, any kinds of finish you want. Korean countertops. Yeah, we are doing it over here. Hello. Let me show you one amazing unit what we have created over here in such small place when our customer's requirement was very specific that he wanted a crockery unit but it doesn't disturb the space. This is the crockery unit what we have created over here with glasses, drawers and shutters. Also Korean countertops, not pots. Of course, we know budget matters. So talking about kitchen, standard hai, but you know, we made it really classy. Left space planning was done very properly, made sure our customer really likes it and all those things with glass shelves, glass shutters everywhere over here and even left enough amount of space for a washing machine and a dishwasher, everything. So, you know, compact space stocking really works over here. Let me show you the next thing. Talking about highlighting the areas. So, many people have this thought in mind that French wall cost a lot. No, it's a myth. Depends on what kind of designs you're going. Again, here we are creating French wall in every customer's house with a minimalistic pricing. Again, budget matters. Okay, so many people ignore the passage area and go for the regular lighting section. And our customer specifically wanted a wall of frame wherein he can place his family portraits and all those things. So again, we filled the requirements. We gave the lightings also a space wherein he actually can keep his photos while he walks around front and back. Again, whenever he's walking around, he can see his family portraits and all those things. So look, next, let's go to the bedroom. Again, space planning was done very properly. As you can see, please show them around. A very minimalistic look, but also looks very classy. With study table, bed, dresser, wardrobe. Everyone needs that, right? It's a very basic need. But again, space planning is a must. That is what we did. Coming home and thinking of where do I keep my regular clothes? Of course, I do have space. Having a nice view and also dressing up really feels good, you know. So again, planning. And also study table is a must because my customer do have kids. So plan very properly. So bed also have enough amount of space. A chair can move. Also talking about the light, let me go to this. A three-way lighting is the best solution is what I feel in this interior industry right now because you never know what kind of mood you have. So let me show you the last one. It's amazing. Hi, back again. So it was always a dream to have a bay window sitting or a cozy corner where you can just simply sit and watch outside, right? So yeah, have a look. Of course, it's a bit crowded, but still, it's a look, you know. Where you can simply sit and have a sip of coffee. Our customer's requirement was that. He wanted a cozy corner. A bay window space where there is storage and also sitting space. Also study space where you can sit here and walk around. So yes, we fulfilled that also with some storage. Of course, a dresser is a must. Again, I'm a girl designer. I will provide that. Chalo. Shoe rack is a must. Closed or open. We should have it with the sitting space. Of course, you'll be tired of standing all day. It's a good amount of storage to keep your keys and earphones. You should not forget. Chalo, done for today. Bye bye.